name is Nourmawan from Kelompok Elang.
Hello everyone, my name is Nastiti. You can call me Ninda and I'm from Elang Group. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Sabila NPM 221030-2018. I'm from English Language Education, Faculty of Teaching and Education.
Hello, my name is Pinkhan Detiecya. I'm from Faculty of Teaching and Education, Study Program English Language Education.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmadian Khairunnisa, so you can call me Rakhma. I'm from Elang Group.
Hello, my name is Rakhma Permataputri. You can call me Rakhma or Ama.
Hello everyone, my name is Rafi Alfaiz. You can call me Rafi, and I'm from Group Elang.
Hi everyone, my name is Diandra Tria Puspitowati. I'm from Kelompok Elang.
Hi guys, my name is Jovanka Rossy Ramadhan and you can call me Jovanka. I am from Eagle Group and I make this video is for completing our assignment. And enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, here I will explain about how to dress a good student. The first, for student it is mandatory to wear shoes. Secondly, student must dress politely and neatly. The blouse must have a collar.
Hi, what's happening?
Oh hi, we are checking the group class.
What happened?
The chairman has informed the assignment for us.
When is the deadline?
It's 3 days from now. How about we do the assignment together?
Sure, why not?
Okay, let's do it. Yes, finally.
Guys, you should do the assessment on time
So that we don't forget it and not in the hurry today.
Bye-bye.
Saya Diandra Puspitowati, NPM 2023. Kan dijelaskan jenis-jenis kompetensi guru dibagi menjadi 4, diantaranya kan itu tadi. Nah, pada kesimpulannya kompetensi itu menjelaskan kemampuan seorang guru. Nah, di samping kemampuan itu kan diimbangi oleh sifat dan sikapnya seorang guru. Pertanyaan saya adalah berikan contoh sifat dan sikap yang harus dimiliki oleh seorang guru.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm feeling a little bit sleepy, sir.
Okay, let's start this course. Okay, today we're gonna learn about
Sorry sir, I'm late.
Take a deep breath, it's time to say goodbye. This may be the end, but it's okay, I'll be alright. Sad nevermore, baby, I'm sure it's for the better. Don't cry. Farewell to all those days we spent together, all of them cheerful and free. Nobody knew it wouldn't last forever. Now it's a faint memory. Gloomy skies may take away my sunshine, leaving me cold in the dark. That's alright, 'cause baby now I feel fine. I've got you here.